Back home, we're going to get our backpacks on and head in on foot.
All right, you guys. Cliff, you want to come with me this way, and then Matt and Renee can go to the right. We'll go left.
For sure.
All right, let's hit it.
We're still pretty close to the water. We might not be able to hear you, but go for it.
Okay, I'm going to do 3, so expect the high-pitched, shrieky ones.
Copy that.
Ask him if he did it.
All right, we didn't hear a thing. Did you guys do them?
Sure did.
I can't believe we didn't hear that.
Matt's going to go ahead and fire one out.
Okay, copy that. We'll listen.
Sorry, Matt.
Did they ask if they just did a howl?
You guys just do a howl?
No, we did not do a howl.
Did you hear one?
Yeah.